This is a natural phenomenon known as a lightning ball. We are simulating it using a microwave and matches. Here I have 6 matches bundled together. Here's their match book. We're going to light the matches, put them on the tray, shut the door, and start the microwave. What you will see is a ball that will rise up to the top of the microwave, hover around for a bit, and then eventually just go out. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep it going. Oh yeah. Oh, don't want to burn the house down. Okay. Woo. Wow. Tell you what, there we go.